Hey, welcome to GT Canada. Today we are going to solve the pesky heat issue on your Mi Stick HDMI little Mi Stick box. Now, if you've got one of these, you already know that it tends to overheat and it causes it to just freeze up or randomly reboot. So I've had enough of that. I can't return this, so I need to make the best out of it. So I'm going to open it up and stick on some heat sinks and try to solve the heat issue. So follow me with how we're going to do this. So the first thing we need to do is open this up. So what I used to open this was just a little flat blade screwdriver, and you just want to get underneath an edge of this, like that, and then that'll start to peel the plastic up. And then that releases that side, just like that, and then we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Use our gift card, get under there, there's one more clip in the front, like that. That opens it up. Now you can see right off the bat here, they do have a heat sink right here, but the rest of this part here gets hot and that gets hot. So I'm going to pull this thing right out because we're going to actually modify the case itself to accept our heat sinks. So you just got to release those clips like that, and this will slide right out, and that reveals that the bottom has a similar thing to the top, which has no heat sink. I've got a heat sink kit here, which I got off of Amazon. It's for a Raspberry Pi stick-on heat sink kit. So we're just gonna load this up with heat sinks, load that up, flip this side, and load that as well. This is where your cutoff tool will come in handy. Dremel the plastic for the case so that the heat sinks can stick through the plastic. Nobody sees these things anyway, so it's not a big deal. Just wanna get this thing opened. I'm gonna just put it right there, like that, and then put the other one right next to it. So now we've got heat sinks on that side. I'm gonna put heat sinks on this side, and this is gonna use the other kit. So remember I said that this was two separate kits. It was a 2-pack kit. It can look nice and neat. And these little guys, we got them, so we might as well use them. Stick one there. Our heat sink applied device. Now this side doesn't look as nice. I'm not a professional modder, I'm more about the function, and this will make it function better. You can see the side profile. These stick up way over the plastic, and same with these guys, they're sticking way out of the plastic. We did need to chop that out. That will actually help get a lot of the heat out as well. So I'm gonna hook this back up to the TV, give it a test, and see if we experience the same slowdowns that we were getting before. I then went back and rehooked it up, and within a few minutes of clicking through and opening and closing menus, the device again power cycled and rebooted. And it took a few minutes to cool off enough that it would even power back on. So the bottom line for this device is it is not a good purchase, and you would be better off buying the Mi Box S. And there's no issues at all using that box. It does not overheat. Don't waste your time with the Mi TV Stick. It really is a waste of time and money. It's a gamble if it'll work good or not. Hey, thanks for watching another GT Canada video. We got lots of great stuff in store, so be sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you can stay up to date on all the latest stuff as we upload it. Comment below and watch the next video.